Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 11 p.m. At 10:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cape Breton or near Harvard, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Como, Pale Lake, Powers Lake, Springfield, Abels Corners, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado warning for Central Boone County will expire at 10:30 p.m.